Okay, we'll start. Can you note down the problem? Yes, phosphine decomposes when heated according to the following reaction. Phosphine decomposes when heated according to the following reaction. Now, at a given instant, the rate at which phosphine decomposes is, at a given instant, the rate at which phosphine decomposes is 2.4 into 10 power minus 3. 2.4 into 10 power minus 3 moles per liter second. Moles per liter second. Now, first question. Express the rate in three different ways. Express the rate in three different ways. And show the relationship between them. Second question. What is the rate of formation of P4 and H2? What is the rate of formation of P4 and H2? Yes, I'm again reading the problem. Phosphine decomposes when heated according to the following reaction. The reaction is 4-phosphine gaseous phase to form P4 gaseous phase and hydrogen at the gaseous phase. Now, at a given instant, the rate at which phosphine decomposes is 2.4 into 10 power minus 3 moles per liter second. Now, the first question he asked is express the rate in three different ways and show the relationship between them. Right? And second question is what is the rate of formation of P4 and H2? Simple question. There is no ambiguity. Everything you know. Okay, what is the question he is given? He is saying that there is a phosphine which is decomposing to form phosphorus and then some hydrogen. Okay, so that means initially if I took a reactant called phosphine, it slowly decomposes to form phosphorus and then hydrogen. Now what is he is given is at any instant the decomposition rate of phosphine has given. The rate of phosphine has given. Now the first question he is asking is you should express the rate in three different ways
and show the relation.
and then show the relation. You already know the relation.
Yes.
because I given small a capital A plus small b capital B gives the small c capital C plus small d capital D. So what is the relation I told? Minus RA by small a is equal to minus RB by small b. So if I write rate of phosphate, rate of phosphorus, rate of hydrogen, you know what is the relation between them. So the first question will be answered very easily. That means the rate of phosphine by 4. With negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative, because it is in the reactant. Is equal to rate of phosphorus by
1.
because calorimetric coefficient is 1. Positive or negative?
Positive.
That equal to rate of hydrogen, that is RH2 by 6. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Plus product. So the first question is answered. Is it not? So if I write rate of phosphine pH3 with negative sign because reactant by 4 is equal to rate of P4 with positive sign by 1 is equal to rate of hydrogen with positive sign. First question is answered. Fine. Now what is second question? What is the rate of formation of P4, rate of formation of hydrogen? See, for simple, let's understand this relation. What you have written here, that the second question be answered very clearly. See, what is this relation says? See, this is the stoichiometric equation in terms of chemical reaction method, and we have in terms of rates we have written here. The rate of phosphine by something value equal to rate of P4 by some value equal to rate of action by some value. Now phosphine is decomposing, disappearing, whereas P4 hydrogen are forming. So these are rate of formations. This is rate of decomposition. Is it not? Because this is a reactant. Slowly it will decompose. It will disappear. But after that, what will happen? Products will form. So what are the products here? P4 and H2. So P4 and H2 are rate of formations, whereas CH3 is rate of decomposition. That is rate of disappearance. Now the rate of decomposition is already given. The rate of decomposition is already given. He is asking rate of formations of P4 and H2. Can't you get from the relation? If I want rate of formation of P4, which is equal to 1 into rate of decomposition of PH3 by 4, already this value is known. Can't you get rate of formation of P4? Similarly, can't you get rate of formation of hydrogen? Rate of formation of hydrogen is equal to 6 times this side. 6 by 4 times of rate of decomposition of PH3. Already this value is known. It's clear or not? Very simple problem. Only thing is you should use of what are the concepts I explained to you previously. Small a times capital A plus small b times capital B when reacting to form small c times C and small d times D. Then I written as minus RA by small a is equal to minus RB by small d is equal to RC by small c is equal to RD by small d. If you know this relation, the problem is solved. Fine. So what are the answers? No. I want rate of formation of P4. 6 into 10 power. That's all. 6 into 10 power minus 4. See, you should sell the units also. More important, units you should not forget. What is the rate units here given? The same rate units will come because I am not changing any units at all. I am just multiplying the values only. So what is rate of formation of hydrogen?
3.6.
That's all. So 3.6 into 10 power minus 3.
Negative sign.
Now you tell me whether these two values rates are positives or negatives. So these are rates only. Rates. Rate of formations. Rate of formations. So this is formed, product is formed, plus sign. Product is formed, plus sign. Because we are writing the rates of hydrogen and phosphorus. We are using the rate of decomposition of phosphine. But we should not use negative sign there. Because these two are the products. Products, how much they are forming? Plus sign only. Because they both are in the products. Okay? No, note down. A certain reaction has a rate law minus RA is equal to the second reaction has a rate law minus RA is equal to 0.005 CA square, comma, moles per centimeter cube minutes. A certain reaction has a rate given by minus R is equal to 0.005 CA square, comma, moles per centimeter cube minute. If the concentration is expressed in moles per liter, and time in hours, what could be the value? What could be the value of the rate constant? Yes. He has given a reaction rate minus RA is equal to 0.005 CA square. And he is saying if the concentration is expressed in moles per liter and time in hours, what could be the rate constant value? So what is this? What is this given? So he has given rate expression minus R is equal to something. That means temperature dependent term, that is K here, multiplied by CA square. So this is your rate constant. But remember, rate constant has units or not? Rate constant has units. Rate constant has units. Is it rate has units or not? Rate has units. We have defined the rate. How we define the rate? Disappeared. Number of moles disappeared per volume per time. So number of moles disappeared per volume per time means moles per volume time, or moles per surface area time, or moles per weight time. That means mass time. So rate has units. This is what rate units he has given. See, minus RA is equal to something into K square, comma units given. That means rate units he has given. This much is the expression of rate. And what is the rate unit he has given? See, moles per volume time. Is it not moles per volume? Volume means what? centimeter cube. So here he has expressed the volume in centimeter cube. See this. Cubic centimeter, that means centimeter cube. So this is the unit of rate. Fine. So rate unit is moles per centimeter cube per time, that is minute. Now we already know the unit of concentration. What is concentration unit? Usually moles per liter. Fine. Moles per liter is concentration, we know that. Now if I keep moles per liter here, I already know the right hand side unit. Can't I get unit of K? So for time being, what I do, I won't write moles per liter because here volume is not in liters, volume is in centimeter cube. Because finally I have to get the unit of RA in this form, I should do something manipulation of this one, so that I will get final rate unit this one. What I do, see, 0.005, this is K. I don't know the unit of K, but I know the unit of Ca. What is concentration unit? Mole per liter, but instead of liter we will write in volume because we know the relation. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. But let us not worry about the liter case here because the final rate unit he has given in terms of centimeter cube. Let us write moles per centimeter cube only for some time. Why I am doing like this? Because I want to know the unit of K. K value is given, but K unit has not given. I should arrive. How I should arrive? The final rate unit I know. I know the unit of concentration such that if I do some manipulation, I will get the unit of K. How I do? See, mole per centimeter cube is concentration unit. That should be square. That means mole square centimeter power 6. Now what I do, multiply here such that I will get mole per centimeter cube minute I should get. What I do? See, finally in the numerator mole has to come. Already in the numerator mole square is there. So that 1 mole will be there. So centimeter is there. Denominator centimeter cube has to come. If I keep centimeter cube, then centimeter power 3 will come. Denominator there is no minute, but in the overall rate unit minute has come. So I should have minute here. So that everything will be get cancelled and get the rate unit. Now this is the unit of K. So units of K equal to 0.005 centimeter cube per mole per minute. Now this is what he has not asked. He has asked if concentration is expressed in mole per liter. So you should now change. You have arrived at the K value K unit, but you just change the units of these things such that your final K value be arrived. So instead of centimeter cube, he is asking to keep liter units. We know 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000. Is it not? So I brought 1000 here. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So in place of 1 centimeter cube, keep 1 by 1000 liters. You will get K. That's what he asked. So do it. And also he asked for time. So time in hours. Here we have time in minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hours. 1 minute equal to. So replace in a minute by 1 by 60 hours. Do manipulation. Tell me the final K value. Final K value. Understood the problem? Nothing is It's very simple problem. What is the rate expression given? What is the final unit of rate? And we know the rate units of concentration. You just manipulation to get the units of K. Yeah, tell me answer. 3 into 10. Very good. But units. Tell me the final units.
Liters, moles,
3 into 10 power minus 4 liter per
mole power.
mole hour. That's all. This is the final answer. Absolutely correct. See, I already told in the first class itself, chemical reaction engineering is a course which carries more than 90% of the problems. We will learn the theory concept, but we do more problems. Then only we will understand the concept. I already told what is a zero order, what is a first order, what is second order. If you do the problems, you will analyze. See, what is second order I told? When you double the concentration, your rate 4 times jumps. So we are checking the rate value in the problem. Have you not solved in the last class the problems? If you check the concentrations, when you do some experiment, if you measure the concentration and if you measure the rate, you check the reading. When the concentration doubles, the rate becomes 4 times. So learning the concept and analyzing the problems, then you remember longer times. Okay, so that's why after theoretical concepts, I will do more problems in the class, so that you will glance through the content, what I have told. Clear? Okay, fine. Now let's come back to the previous discussion. What we discussed in the previous class is activation energy. So we have come up with an expression called ln K2 by K1 is equal to ln R2 by R1 is equal to
1 by
E by R into
1.
that equation you should mug up. That equation you should mug up. 30 లేపినా చెప్పాలి, పడుకున్నా లేచిపోయినా చెప్పాలి ఈక్వేషన్ అట్లా ఉండాలి. అలాగని అన్ని బట్టి కొట్టకూడదు. అన్ని బట్టి కొడితే జీవితంలో ఎప్పుడు పైకి రాము. ఎక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్చుకోవాలి అక్కడ మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఎక్కడ మగప్ చేయాలి అక్కడ మగప్ చేయాలి. ఇది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ మగప్ చేయడానికి ఏమైంది? 2 సార్లు రాస్తే నోట్బుక్ మీద వచ్చేస్తుంది. ln K2 by K1 is equal to ln R2 by R1 is equal to E by R into 1 by T1 minus T2. ఎంతసేపు పడుతుంది రావడానికి? Because once you know the expression, so once you know the E and R, T1 and T2, you can estimate K1 and K2, or you can estimate R1 and R2. So all the problems or Arrhenius equation will be based on finding the rates, because the expression is related to rates, ln R2 by R1, or finding the rate constants, K2 by K1, or sometimes he may ask temperatures T1 and T2, or finally he may ask the activation energy E. Anything he asks because of the one equation. If you are familiar with one equation, you do lots of problems. Only thing is, by heart the expression and you check with the units. Temperature should always be in Kelvin. Fine. And remember the value of R, universal gas constant. In terms of joule per mole Kelvin, it is 8.314. In terms of late atmosphere, it is 0.0821. So these values you should remember all the time. ఇది ఎవరు చెప్పరు, పక్కన వచ్చి స్లిప్ ఎవరు బాబు ఆర్ వాల్యూ తీసుకొని ఎవడెవడు మీకు ఆర్ అనగానే నీకు గుర్తుకొచ్చారు యూనివర్సల్ గ్యాస్ కాన్స్ వాల్యూ ఎంత మైండ్లో ఫీడ్ అయిపోవాలన్నమాట. సో యూనిట్స్ బట్టి ఆర్ వాల్యూ మార్చేసుకోవాలి మీరు. ప్రతిసారి నేను 8.314 మారుతానంటే దొబ్బేసినట్లే ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా? లేట్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ ఇచ్చారు అనుకో 0.0821 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి మీరు. యూనిట్స్ మారిపోతే ఆర్ మారిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో నౌ వీ డూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మోర్ ఆన్ ది Arrhenius expression. The pyrolysis of ethane సో అందరూ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా? ఎందుకంటే క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ తెచ్చుకుంటే ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. తెచ్చుకోలేదు అనుకోండి తక్కువే అవుతుంది. నేను ఎక్కడైతే తక్కువ చేయిస్తానో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్లో కొత్త ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తాను, హ్యాండ్స్ అప్ అయిపోతారు. మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ తెచ్చుకొని ఫాస్ట్గా మూవ్ అయితే ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయిస్తాను. చేయించిన ప్రాబ్లంలో మిడ్కి ఎగ్జామ్లో పేపర్ ఇస్తాను. నేను క్లాస్లో తక్కువ చేయించాను అనుకోండి ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎప్పుడు చూడని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి. చేతులు ఇస్తే ఏం చేసేది లేదు. The pyrolysis of ethane proceeds with an activation energy of about the pyrolysis of ethane, the pyrolysis of ethane, C2H6 proceeds with an activation energy of about 75,000 calories. 75,000 calories. So E value he has given. Now question is how much faster is the decomposition at 650 than at 500? You know the expression very clear. ln R2 by R1 equal to ln K2 by K1 equal to E by R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Expression is very clear. E value is given, R value you know, T1, T2 given, and what he is asking, how much is the rate at 650 is compared to at 500. That means he is asking the rate at 650 to the rate at 500. That is nothing but R2 by R1. If you know R2 at 650, you get something value ratio. So accordingly you can say R2 is this much times R1. R2 is greater or lesser, you can say. Substitute. T1 is 650 plus 273. T2 is 500 plus 273. You know R substitute, get K2 by K1 or R2 by R1. Use calculator. Everyone should make use of the calculator because that is only allowed in the examination hall. FX 100. Calculator. క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఉన్న అన్ని ఆపరేటర్స్ మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఎల్ఎన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఎక్స్పెన్షన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, లాగ్ ఎక్కడ వాడాలి, పవర్ ఎక్కడ వాడాలి, స్టాండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఎప్పుడు, హైపర్బోలిక్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఎప్పుడు, క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ కంప్లీట్ గా వాడడం నేర్చుకోండి. చాలా మంది క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ వాడడం కూడా రాదు. డైరెక్ట్ గా క్లాస్ కూర్చుని రాకుండా 1 వీక్ యాక్షన్ పెడతానంటే ఓకే. 1 వీక్ థియరీకి 1 వీక్ ల్యాబ్ కి. సిఆర్ఈ ల్యాబ్ కూడా నేనే కదా. సో హ్యాపీగా వార్షికోత్సవాలు బ్రహ్మోత్సవాలు చేసుకోవాలి. No, I don't know the value. What is the question asked? You tell me that. Bhavna, what is R value you have taken? Wait. Ask question for Bhavna. What is the R value you have taken? You are supposed to take R value as 1.987 calories per mole Kelvin because it is given in calories. So I already told, depending on the units, your R value has to change. If you use 8.314, gone. Absolutely, you'll get 0 marks. Units of R, value of R is very important. So use R as 1.987 calories per mole Kelvin and substitute. Get ln K2 by K1. What is ln K2 by K1 value? Accordingly find K2 by K1 value. తప్పు ఎక్కడ తప్పు చేస్తున్నావు చూడు. క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ అందులో చెప్తున్నాను, క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ వాడడం కూడా రావాలి. నేను అన్నీ ఇచ్చేసాను, ఆర్ వాల్యూ చెప్పాను, T1 T2 ఈ అన్నీ చెప్పాను, అయినా మీరు ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ తప్పు చేస్తున్నారంటే క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ వాడడం తప్పు చేస్తున్నారు. What is ln K2 by K1?
7.97.
Correct. ln K2 by K1, ln K2 by K1 you will get 7.935. Maybe 7.93 or 5 something else. No, what is K2 by K1? What is K2 by K1? 280. Almost 2838 something you will get. Around 2800 you will get. Around 2800 you will get. Depending on the question you take, 2 digit or 3 digit. Okay. So what is K2? K2 is equal to 2838 times of K1. That means your reaction rate at 650 is 2838 times reaction rate at 500. That's all the answer. Is it okay? ln K2 by K1 కట్టాను, ఇంత వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి K2 by K1 ఎలా వచ్చింది? మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ వాడితే ఈ పవర్ తీసుకుని సరిపోదు, ln కదా, ఈ పవర్ తీసుకొని ఎంత వస్తుంది? K2 by K1 అంతన్నప్పుడు K2 ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఇది మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. K2 is equal something into K1 అర్థం ఏంటి? Reaction rate constant is something value times reaction rate constant. At 1, that means at 500. 2 means at 650. Reaction rate constant అర్థం ఏంటి? Reaction rates. Reaction rate at 650 is 2838 times the reaction rate at 500 degrees centigrade. ఏమా అర్థమైందా బాబు? అర్థమైందా? ఇద్దరికి క్యాలిక్యులేటర్స్ ఉన్నాయా? లాస్ట్ బెంచ్ ఇద్దరికి ఉన్నాయా? ఒకటే ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకొకడు అటకెక్కినాడా? బీరోలో పెట్టినాడా? అగరబత్తి పెట్టినాడా? 2-3 పూలు పెట్టండి, అగరబత్తి పెట్టి. క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ బాగా రోజు రోజుకి పెద్ద అవుతుంటుంది, మనం కింద అవుతా ఉంటాం. ఎస్, నోట్ ఆన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. The activation energy of a bimolecular reaction is, see, the more the number of problems you will solve, the more confidence you will get. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే, ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని చేసామో ఎగ్జామ్లో ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినా సింపుల్గా అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్ ద టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం క్లాస్లో సాల్వ్ చేసి ఉంటాం. అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వాడు ఎవడు. ఇదేమో ఐఏఎస్ సివిల్ ఎగ్జామ్ కాదు, బీటెక్ ఎగ్జామ్. కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలిస్తే ప్రాబ్లమ్ సింపుల్గా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలియదు అనుకోండి, అడుక్కోవడమే. ఏది స్లిప్లో అడుక్కోవడం అంటే అది కాదు, స్లిప్లో అడుక్కుంటాం కదా. సో రాసుకోండి. The activation energy of bimolecular reaction is about 9150 calories per mole. 9150 calories per mole. How much faster is this reaction takes place? How much faster is this reaction takes place at 500 Kelvin than at 400 Kelvin? Can I read again the problem? The activation energy of a bimolecular reaction is about 9150 calories per mole. How much faster is this reaction takes place at 500 Kelvin than at 400 Kelvin? Yes. T1 given, T2 given. So directly as given in Kelvins, no need to change. T1 ఇచ్చాడు, T2 ఇచ్చాడు, E ఇచ్చాడు, R తెలుసు. ఇందాకలాగే సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం. సాల్వ్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. ఇవే ఆర్ అంటే T1 మైనస్ T1 ఎంత? ఏది T1 అలా అనుకుంటే నేను ఇది మార్చుకోవాలి. ఇది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ 500 value అంటే K2 by K1 is equal to
K2 by K1 K2 by K1 is equal to
9.94.
very good. So almost you will get K2 by K1 is equal to 10. అంటే కదా 9 అంటే 10 almost. So almost 10 అంటే ఏంటి? K2 is 10 times of K1. అంతేనా? అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? Your reaction 500 Kelvin is 10 times faster than reaction at 400 Kelvin. అంటే అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. అర్హీనేస్ ఏం చెప్పాడో కరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పాడు. అర్హీనేస్ ఏం చెప్పాడు? టెంపరేచర్ ఎంత డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది చూడండి రియాక్షన్ రేట్ మీద. మీరు కొంచెం టెంపరేచర్ పెంచితే ఎలా చూడండి 400 నుంచి నేను జస్ట్ ఒక 100 కెల్విన్ మార్చినాను టెంపరేచర్. అంటే 400 కెల్విన్ దగ్గర ఉన్న రియాక్షన్ ని కొంచెం 100 డిగ్రీస్ కెల్విన్ మార్చేశారు. 10 టైమ్స్ పెరిగిపోయింది. ఎంత జంప్ చూడండి రియాక్షన్ రేట్. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ టెంపరేచర్ డిపెండెన్సీ. Arrhenius has proposed this expression exponential. అందుకనే e పవర్ పెట్టాడు. e పవర్ అంటే ఎగురుతుంది. Exponential. That's why he has given in the expression k equal k naught into e power minus e by rt. That's what he proposed. And what he proposed, if you do experiments, you will get the results. Clear? Note down. The rate constant of a certain reaction or the rate constants of a certain reaction are 1.6 into 10 power minus 3 and 1.625 into 10 power minus 2 per second. At 10 degrees centigrade, at 30 degrees centigrade. Calculate the activation energy. Calculate the activation energy. So he has given here K1, K2. Rate constants he has given in the expression. K1 at T1 given, K2 at T2 given. He is asking E. What it may be, expression is similar. Substitute, you will get it.
నాకు తెలియదు ఎలా చేస్తారు ఇంకా నేను లారీ తీసుకోవాలి See, temperature is known, K1, K2 known. The units of K1, K2 are per second. Fine. Now you have to calculate E, but you have to substitute R. Now, which R you will substitute? Which R you will substitute? See, which R you will substitute, according to the E will come. If you substitute R value as 8.3, you will get E as in terms of joule per mole. If you substitute R value as 1.9, you get E as calories per mole answer. Very simple. Because here it is in seconds. Nothing is given. So, accordingly the value of R you choose, you will get E subsequently the same unit. Come on, 80? 100.
82,426.85
In units.
joules.
One answer. Other answer? Any other?
82,640.
Wait.
82,700.
Units.
Joules.
Any other?
8.24 into kilojoule.
8 point? 8 point?
24 into kg kilojoules.
So in terms of joule, you tell the answer. In terms of joules, because everyone are expressing in joules, I tell the answer in joules. Joule per mole I want.
82484.
8 to?
484.
Okay. Any other answer?
0.5.
Any other answer? Come on. 289.
82,069.
8 to?
069.
82,640.85.
Okay. Anyhow, more or less you will get in 82,000. Whatever it may be the third digit. Something 82,000 value. Joule per mole. Or in calories, if you say the answer, it is around 19743. Means in 19,000 in calories per mole. In calories, you will get 90,000 odd. In joules, you will get around 82,000 odd. It depends because everyone are using in calculators, maybe second digit they may round off or third digit they may round off. Accordingly, the values will change. But approximately, if you express E value, you will get in joules per mole as 82,000. 82,650, 450, something else. Fine. Next. Decomposition of acetone. Decomposition of acetone dicarboxylic acid. Acetone dicarboxylic acid CO CH2 COO H2 that is gives rise CO CH3 of 2 plus 2 CO2. Decomposition of acetone dicarboxylic acid is a first order reaction. acetone dicarboxylic acid is a first order reaction.
So note down the reaction.
And note down the table here. Find out the activation energy for this reaction graphically. Find out the activation energy for this reaction graphically. Yes, read completely the problem so that we will attempt. He has given some reaction. He is saying it is to be a first order. Fine, very good. What is that reaction? Something acetone dicarboxylic acid decomposing to form COCH3 twice plus 2CO2. Fine. Now he has given some data. What is the data? He has given temperature in kelvins. So he has given temperature in kelvins. 273 Kelvin, 293 Kelvin, 313 Kelvin, 330 Kelvin. And for every temperature in Kelvin, he has given the rate constant in the units of per second. In the units of per second or second inverse, second power minus 1. The rate constant value for 273 Kelvin, this is the rate constant. For 293, this. Now he is asking E. How we will proceed. See, what is Arrhenius has proposed? K is equal to K naught e power minus e by RT. So if I take ln K is equal to ln K naught plus ln of e power minus e by RT. So something ln K naught plus, because ln e is minus e by RT. Now just check, if I write something y is equal to mx plus c, because see, this is a constant, because k naught is a constant, rate constant, and now this is almost like m into x. So I will get slope if I draw curve versus y versus x. That means if I draw a curve, I am drawing 1 by t, because E R with negative sign. So I am keeping in the m. So I will get a curve like this with slope is equal to minus e by r. Is it not? Minus e by r, because 1 by t I am drawing in the form of x. Y equal to mx plus c. Y is ln k. And x is this 1 by t, I am taking 1 by t as x, so that what is left is m, that is slope, minus e by r. Because a negative slope, I will get curve like this. I will not curve like this, because this is increasing slope, this is decreasing slope. So I will get a curve like this, minus e by r. Now, I can safely use this information to plot a graph. How? ln k, because I know the values of k, I can take ln k values, take natural logarithm. So you will get ln k values
Take natural logarithm, you know. Fine. Now 1 by t, because t is known. What is 1 by t? Just 1 by 2 times t, 1 by 2 times t. So this value is known. So you know these values. If you could plot, you will get a straight line like this. That means for 4 values you will get like this. Now if you get a curve like this, find the slope. And that slope is minus e by r, because from the equation, what is your slope? You draw it and get the slope. That slope is minus e by r. Now you know r value, so get the e value, multiply with r. That means from now onwards we have to plot graphs. So you have to take a graph sheet, you have to plot, you have to take a pencil and a scale, mark it, and then plot every point. You will get a straight line, join it, find the slope. How you find the slope? So in mathematics, you know, if you have 2 points x1, x2, y1, y2, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. For example, if I got 2 points x1, x2, correspondingly what is x1 is y1, correspondingly what is x2 value is y2. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is my slope. So that slope value is substitute here, because that slope is already minus e by r as per the Arrhenius law. So you know e by r, you know r value, multiply that slope with r, you will get e. Fine. So you do this problem in the home or in the hostels, plot the graph. In the next class, you show me the plot, and I am directly giving the e by r slope value so that you can get the e value. So the slope you obtained is minus 12250. That is the slope. Slope. What is the slope value I am giving? You just plot it and get this slope, whether you are getting this value or not. Minus 12250. Now you find e, because I am directly giving the slope.
Minus 10.18.
No, I want always the value in terms of units. Don't forget to tell the units, because units make changes. Okay, in joules per mole, what is the e value?
10846.
Yeah, Amma, నీ పేరు తల్లి బాబియా కవ్య గడ్డమ్మ పక్కన నీ పేరు రేణుక చెప్పమ్మ వాల్యూ జౌల్స్ పర్ మోల్ లో
10846.5.
101846.5 more or less in what I can say in 1 lakh. In 1 lakhs I will get some value. 1 lakh 019 or 1 lakh 018. Maybe in terms of 1 lakh you will get in answer in joule per mole. Yeah, sit down. Got now? So this is the last variety of the problems where, see, earlier we does not have any graphical problem. Simply k1 k2 given or t1 t2 given, we are estimated the e value or other ones. But here graphical problems has come. He won't give any k1 k2 or t1 t2. He will do in terms of temperature k1 data. You need to plot. You need to find the logarithm values. You need to find 1 by t values. You need to plot it. Join the line. Get the slope. From the slope you have to estimate e. Clear? Any doubts? Right? So we do some